Power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the nozzle wiper shrapnel unscrewed to screws. Install the new nozzle wiper shrapnel tightened to screws. Loosen the 4 screws, fixing the adjustment base. Move the hot end to the wiper shrapnel to make the nozzle contact the shrapnel. Then tighten the 4 screws to fix the adjustment base. Self-check. Plug in the power cable and power on. Click Prepare. Calibration. Check all options and click Start Detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.